Hello and welcome to this video of number 16 Wingate Road, the property here. So what we've got here is a four double bedroomed actually, two bathrooms, three reception rooms. It's an extended semi-detached, as you can see, very nicely extended, and also we're in a fantastic location within a very short walk of Woodley shopping centre. So, without further ado, I'm going to step the other side of the camera. I'm going to show you the location of this house first of all, and then we'll go inside. Okay, so let's look at the location and the front of the property. You can see we've got an extended driveway and the garage there, and also just the right hand side, it's a slated area which in fact would work for additional parking if it was required. So the location, the road itself, Wingate Road, pan round to the right, at the end there we've got Foster's Lane and then Loddon Bridge Road, and if we then just go the other way, we have quite a nice open green just there, and in fact just walking along Wingate Road to the top there and turn right, that takes you towards Woodley Shopping Centre. It's just a short walk, 5-minute walk from here, no more, and really very convenient location for this house, as you can imagine. So let's now take you inside and let's show you around. So we've just come through the front door into the main entrance hall. So you see we have a wood effect laminated flooring there. Storage cupboard just on the right hand side, and also we have understairs storage. So the entrance hall has been extended. Let me just step forward here and turn around. There you go, that's the door that I've just come through. So in the entrance hall you can access the garage there, really useful to directly access the garage. We've got a door ahead of me there to the kitchen, and a door on the right takes you to the kitchen, to the lounge. Let me just show you the garage first. And I'm quite keen to show you this because it's a larger than average garage. It's wider than normal. We've got a slightly wider than normal garage door. You can see we've got space either side. Just a quick pan round. Really good sized garage, obviously for storage, or indeed, of course, for a car. So back into the entrance hall. And let's now show you the lounge. So first of all, I want to point out we've got a large bay window here. The windows are all UPVC double glazed sealed units. So the the lounge also has the wood effect laminated flooring as well. And then if I just spin round, you'll see we've got an opening taking us into the dining room. So the dining room is actually part of the extensions, and longer than average. You can see we've got a table and 6 chairs in situ, plenty of room for a bigger table if it's needed. And also at the end there you can see we've got French doors taking you to the garden. Just going to show you a quick view of the garden from here. I will of course show you the garden at the end of the tour. And then just spinning around here, there you go. That's back into the lounge. So this door here takes you directly into the kitchen. Let's now show you the kitchen. Again, extended, and quite a feature of the house. I'd say really good sized kitchen, lots of work surface space. As you can see, we've got a breakfast bar on the left hand side there with 2 stools, lots of base units, and on the right hand side here we've got a built-in double oven. You can see the cooker hood with a 4-ring electric hob there, and the sink unit under the window with the view, of course, down the garden. I'm just going to pan around slightly and show you we've got more work surface space here and cupboards. And of course, the door there taking you back into the entrance hall. There is an understairs storage area, currently with a fridge freezer slotted in, as you can see, behind the door. And this door takes you into the utility room. And we've got the WC through here, and also the additional reception room. Starting with the utility room, you can see we've got the work surface there with sink unit, base unit, space underneath perhaps for additional appliances, and the high level units. The one in the corner there, that actually houses the gas-fired boiler. That's been serviced annually. There's a door taking you to the side access. And I'm just going to spin around here to show you this very large cupboard is what we call a utility cupboard. So that's where the washing machine would be housed. Nice to close the door on the noise of a washing machine spinning away. So the downstairs WC. There we have a low-level suite. And to my left-hand side, we've got a pedestal wash basin. And just point out there is a window here as well. And then last but not least, on the ground floor, we have an additional reception room. So this is what we would call the sort of family room. Great kids' playroom. One of those rooms that really you could use for all sorts of purposes. Nice that it's got French doors onto the garden, similar to the dining room. The flooring here again, a wood effect laminated flooring. And again, of course, the view down the garden. Okay, so that is the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. So on the first floor landing, so we've got 4 double bedrooms and also 2 bathrooms. The staircase comes from the hallway here and it splits left and right. 2 bedrooms on that side of the house, and over here the bathroom, and then 2 more bedrooms this side of the house. So let's start by showing you the master bedroom, which is the one on the left hand side here. So this is at the front of the house. Really good size master bedroom. I'm going to step into the room, pan round just to show you that we also have built-in wardrobes just here. And then behind me, the door taking you to the ensuite. So it's an ensuite shower, really good size shower room. Shower rooms are often very, very small. This is a particularly good size one. Let's just step in and try and give you an idea. We do have a very large shower cubicle there, as you can see. To the left of that, there's a really useful storage cupboard. Outside control just in front of me there for the power shower. And then the pedestal wash basin there, of course, the low WC. And again, we have a window. I point that out because very often in bathrooms, en suites and downstairs WCs, you don't have a window, you have an extractor fan, but of course we have a window here as well, which is really good. There's a heated towel rail just there. So back into the bedroom, let's just show you the other bedrooms. So across the landing here, we have another bedroom, which obviously is at the rear of the house. You can see we've got a double bed in situ there. Again, I'm going to step into this room and just spin around because we have more built-in wardrobes. Okay, there is, as I said, it's 4 double bedrooms, this house. So let's now take you over to this side of the house and let's go into this room first of all. And point out a very good size room. Hopefully the camera does give you an idea. Another double bed in situ there. This has got the big bay window. Lots of space for furniture, as you can see. We've got freestanding wardrobes here to the left with the mirrored doors. And a radiator under the window. I think this will be the 2nd bedroom in size. And then just turning the corner here to the rear of the house, another double room. The view down the garden, just about to see that. And again, just spinning around. So these wardrobes, they're actually not built-in wardrobes, but they are double and single that are all part of the bedroom. So there we've seen 4 double bedrooms. You've seen the ensuite. Just now leaves me to show you the family bathroom. Again, good size. There's the bath there with a shower fitment there. We've got a pedestal wash basin, the low-level WCs to the left. Again, there's the window. The airing cupboard for the property is in the bathroom. That's that one there. And the heated towel rail to finish. It's all fully tiled. Very smart, very nicely finished. As is the whole house, really. So, that is the first floor. I'm going to take you down and show you the garden now. So the garden can be accessed through these doors from the family room, or of course the dining room as well. Now the garden, this is a feature of the house really. Really good size, as you can see. No properties to the rear of you that are overlooking at all. The garden is around about 100 feet in length, and it has at the end that very professionally built, nicely finished log cabin. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Let's just focus on this part of the garden first. We've got a full width patio here. There is a side access taking you to the front. Let's just walk along the garden. You can see central path, you've got lawn either side, very good fencing with concrete posts. And then just on my left hand side we've got a small sort of vegetable patch here, and then the path leads up to the log cabin. I'm just going to spin round and if I can try and show you the rear of the house. I'm going to step over here to try and get out of that sunshine. Hopefully, yeah, there you go, you can see the rear. Sorry about the slight glare. Nicely extended, nice pitch roofs. Quite thoughtfully and sort of sympathetically extended, I'd say. Right, so now let's make our way along here to the end of the garden. There's the veg patch there. So just going to point out on the right hand side we've got like a sort of like a little animal enclosure, sort of rabbit enclosure, tortoises, whatever you want to do. Obviously that can be removed if you don't want it, but it is going to be staying. And then quite a feature. Either side of the log cabin we have sort of garden shed stroke stores. You can walk all the way around the back. Good for the maintenance of the building. And double doors taking you into this room, which, you know, it's a children's games room. It has been used as a home office. Got a bar there, as you can see. Let me step in the room, and you can't tell on camera, but it's got a nice sort of wood, that sort of pine smell. As I said, it has been used as a home office. We've got electric here, and I believe we have internet connection to this as well, so hence the mentioning the home office. And then just give you an idea what the view is through the doors. We've got windows either side of the doors, so it's quite bright in here. Yeah, really quite a feature of the house. So that just about concludes the tour of 16 Wingate Road. I'll step to one side just to give you a view of the garden from here. And just remains to say thank you for watching. Any questions you may have, please do call the number on the website. My name is Gary. Do ask for me. Alternatively, it's the same number to book a viewing appointment. And thanks for watching.